Good evening, students. Students, good evening. Hello. Able to hear, students? Hello. Good evening, guys. Will able to hear? Please respond. Rita, Adarva. Please, guys, respond someone. Arman, Durlo, Akshita, Janavi. Able to hear my voice? Guys, please speak out something. Everyone. Guys, will able to hear? Anyone can open the mic and talk or?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
What happened, guys? Arman, Akshita. So Thursday we are having one more exam. What is the topics? Anyone? What are the topics for Thursday exam? Two exams together we will discuss, and after Thursday we'll have a class. In that class we'll discuss the papers. So shall we go for a basic revision over Thursday class? Thursday exam, students.
Yes, sir.
Amruta, Durlav, please. Yeah. So what are the portions for the exam on Thursday? 3 chapters. I will open the document. I'm having the document. Pair of linear equations in two variables, area related to circles, and probability. Just I will go through the basics of the pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Linear means its order is 1. That means its highest power is 1 in two variable. So number of variables in that expression is two variable equations. So if I am talking about the definition, a set of two linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 in the same two variable, in the same two variable x and y is said to form a system of simultaneous linear equation. System of simultaneous linear equations. When I am talking about system of simultaneous equation, it might be a two variable, three variable, but here it is clearly shows the standard form is two variables. So if I want to represent this is geometrically an equation in the form of ax plus by plus c, an equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers the graph of this linear equation is a straight line. Which will says locus of infinity points satisfying one particular condition. Suppose if I am taking and if I am saying this is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, this is a line set of infinity points. Each point is an ordered pair. Ordered pair in the sense it's a pair having two elements and two elements order is having some importance. So each point, if I'm substituting in this equation, it will satisfy. That means a representing set of all the points in a single expression. That is the equation of line.
Sir,
So
could you say what is simultaneous linear equation, sir? Sir, I joined the class late, sir. That is why.
the definition of pair of linear equation in two variables. Just go through, read it. Just basic definition.
Okay, sir, got it.
The definition. So, if there is a situation where if we want to draw the straight line with the help of a linear equation, how we can draw? So we have to identify any one variable. Mostly we will take y is as a subject. Suppose if I'm giving draw the graph for ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The first point is make y as the subject. Make y as the subject and find the expression for y and find the expression for y. So we will get y is equals, how much we'll get? Minus ax plus c, sorry, minus ax minus c divided by b. So select at least two values of x. In such a way, x comma y belongs to integers. Don't take fractions. Try to take integers, then only you can able to draw comfortably. Third one, make a table for the ordered pairs. X, y. So we will get x1 corresponding y1, x2 corresponding y2. So minimum 2 points. So make a table for ordered pairs. Next one is plot the points on a graph paper select suitable scale if the values are bigger. The last one is join the points. Simple. So with the help of these steps, we can able to draw any linear equation on the graph paper. So while means while we are solving the equation, pair of linear equation, because of MCQs nowadays, we are not discussing much about these things. But there is a method with the help of graphs also we can able to solve pair of linear equations. The meaning of solving the pair of linear equation means solution of pair of linear equations. The pair in the self, solution of a linear equation. If I'm talking solution of a linear equation, suppose if I'm having an equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What are the set of xy values which can satisfy this equation? What are the set of x comma y values which can satisfy the given linear equation? If I'm having only one linear equation, the number of solutions are infinite. That is, graphically it is shows, graphically the meaning is all the points on the line are the solution. That means which will satisfy. But if I'm giving two equations, then that is called set of or simultaneous equations or pair of linear equation and two variables. If I'm giving a pair, if pair of linear equations are given and asking for solution, that means suppose if I'm giving a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. I am asking find the solution. I'm asking find the solution. That is, find x comma y such that if I am substituting, if substitutes such that if I'm substituting these x values and y values in this, both the equations should satisfy such that this x comma y value should satisfy both the pair of linear equations. I don't want to write shortcuts. Pair of linear equations or simultaneous equations. So that means what is this physical interpretation? What is the general, practically what is its meaning? What is the physical interpretation of solution of pair of linear equation? What is actual, what is a real meaning? That is a physical interpretation. The real meaning of these solutions can able to identify using the graph. If linear equation is a single, it have many solutions. If two lines are given, that is, they may intersect or not, or overlap each other. The meaning of solution of linear equation, the meaning of solution of pair of linear equations is set of xy values which can satisfy both, is point of intersection, point of intersection, common point on both the lines. So if two lines are given, there exists only one point. If two lines are intersecting, there exists only one point. If two lines are intersecting, there exists only one common point. Why? Because once the straight line was intersect, it won't intersect again the same straight line. Suppose it is like this. This line will never bend. This will go like this and this will go like this. It never meet again. This is a common point. This is called point of intersection. This is a point common to both line 1 and line 2. So our topic main aim is you have to calculate this is called solution of these two lines algebraically. Graphically, the point of intersection. So our aim is you have to calculate what is the solution. So solving pair of linear equation in two variables. First one is graphical method. Just if I'm giving line 1 equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. The line 2 equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. The graphical method says draw the graph for line 1, draw the graph for line 2. There might be three cases can be possible after drawing the graph. After drawing the graph, three possibilities can be exist. One is both the lines can intersect. Second is both the lines can overlap. The third one is both the lines are parallel to each other. This is graphically we may face this situation. Out of this, no other situation can exist. What is the meaning of intersecting? The meaning of intersecting means that given question is having only one solution. What is the meaning of overlapping? Many solutions. So the points which is lying on the line, all are the solutions of that numerical. Parallel means no solution. This is a thing we can able to discuss graphically. If you are able to solve, this is how we can able to express the solution of the given pair of linear equation. So it is not possible to draw always graphs. So we have to explore alternate methods, because in future this topic is basic of some other topics where it requires suddenly we'll get two equations you have to solve, then only I can able to proceed to next step. So in those cases, how I can say? Second thing is, I don't want to find out the solution, but I want to nature of these graphs, whether intersecting or not intersecting, parallel to each other or overlap each other. So without drawing the graph, how to calculate? So conditions for simultaneous equations. Anyone can give the conditions? Students, please. Conditions for simultaneous equation. Condition for simultaneous equation. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Condition for one solution. Technically, it is called consistent equations. Technically, those equations are consistent. So the condition for one solution are consistent. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Second one. Condition for inconsistent. That is no solution. Condition for inconsistent no solution, that is called parallel lines. Not intersecting lines. All this comes under single category. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and not equal to C1 by C2. The corresponding ratios of the constants are not same. Third one. Only coefficients ratio must be same. Conditions for dependent. It is also comes under concept of inconsistent, but we will call as condition for dependent. The meaning is which represents same graph. Both the lines represent same graph, overlapping lines. Many solutions case. So by seeing the equations, how we will know this is having only one solution, this is having many solutions, this is having no solution. So for many solutions, the condition is A1 by A2 plus B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. These are the three conditions you have to keep it in mind if you are particularly attending any entrances or MCQ and of questions, because once you solve, if you are not getting anything, it will be very tough because it's a waste of time. That's the reason if you use these conditions and if you got many solutions are inconsistent or dependent, then no need to solve the question. Only if you are getting A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then you can proceed and find out the values of X and Y. So other than graphical method, we are having different analytical methods. Anyone can recall what are the analytical method to solve the pair of linear equations? Students, I'm asking you, please recollect analytical methods to solve pair of linear equations in two variables. What are the methods you are having? If I am giving a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and solve. If I am giving the question, how many methods you are having? Harita, Durlov, please. Students, please.
Substitution method,
Yeah, substitution method,
elimination method,
elimination method, and
cross multiplication.
multiplication method. If you practice many questions, you can get one clarity. Based on the given question, you can able to identify for this particular numbers, substitution is easy. For this set of numbers, elimination is easy. Because if it is a descriptive question paper, like every year how your seniors wrote, it's no option, you have to learn everything. But this is MCQs pattern. You can use any method. No one will ask you what method you used. But you have to identify for a given set of equation which method is very comfortable. That is very important. Particular numbers, set of numbers, particular methods are very simple. So just I'm giving. So here I'm not restricting you people to solve only particular method. If it is a descriptive paper, definitely I have to teach and I'm expecting all the three methods you should know. Now you can go with any method, but we need finally answers. Yeah. So question number 1, please solve. I'm waiting for answers. Solve cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, and division algorithm. Once again, Aditi, after writing this question, I will tell you. Solve 3x minus y is equal to 3. X minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Please copy these questions and solve. Please copy this question and solve for x and y. See, zeros of polynomial, relationship between zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomials only. That's it. Hope you understand, Aditi. Division algorithm. But that is little important if you are going for higher studies. But exam point of view, we don't have, as you mentioned. What are the things you mentioned? Biquadratic, power 4 is not there. Cubic is also not there. Division algorithm from polynomial chapter is also not there. It is only zeros of polynomial, relationship between zeros and coefficients. Of quadratic, he clearly mentioned. If he is not mentioned, relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomials means then you can expect quadratic, cubic, and biquadratic. But he clearly mentioned here relationship between quadratic polynomials only. So from the polynomials, these two concepts only there. Rest of all the things are eliminated. You can ask in school because I don't know. Might be to learning purpose only. They might be included. But the syllabus says it is not there. You can take a syllabus copy if possible and rectify with your teacher one more time. Because here it is, if they are not mentioned this word quadratic, then you can say very strongly they may ask from any index. That means power 4, power 3, power 2. but they clearly mention relationship between zeros and coefficient of a quadratic polynomials. And if they are crossing this point, definitely they have to add the marks. It's coming, it shows out of the syllabus. Hope you understand, Aditi, what I'm saying. You are having a, you can demand, you are not included in the syllabus and you can ask the marks. See, once you solve, anyone done this question? Completed? Anyone? Any method? Anyone done the question? Please respond. Mrita, Arman, Aditi, Janavi, Harita. Completed anyone?
So y is equal to 3, sir.
Y is equal to 3. Next.
Sir, x is equal to 2, sir.
Is equal to 2. So check 3 into 2. 6 minus 3. 3. 2 minus of 2 minus 6 minus 4. That one method is solving. Second method is option A, option B, option C, option D. Substitute all the 4 points in this question. Elimination method, eliminating the wrong answers method. Substitute the option A in the given question. If it is satisfying, that is the answer. If it is not satisfying, that is the wrong answer. Substitute B in the given question. If it is satisfying, that is the right answer. If it is not, it's a wrong answer. Whenever you don't have time, you no need to solve. Just take the answers and substitute. That is also one more method. Are you clear? That means verifying all the options and eliminating wrong answer. That is called elimination of wrong answers. So you can use that method also. Hope you are clear what I'm saying. Students?
Yes, sir.
Now, some other questions. Find the value of K or P for the following pair of linear equations has no solution. I will give 3 questions, please solve. 3x plus y is equal to 1. 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y plus, sorry, is equals 2k plus 1. Second question is kx plus 3y is equal to 3. 12x minus 6y is equals 8. So hope you understand the question first. Anyone is not clear with the question? Please, students, respond. Anyone is not clear with the question? Students, please respond. Aditi, Arman, Adarva, Durlav, please.
Sir, I'm not able to understand.
See, these equations, this is one pair of linear equation, correct? The first one. This is the 2 questions I gave. He's saying this set of equation doesn't have no solution. It's inconsistent equations. Then find the value of k. Got it? What I'm saying? If this pair of linear equations are inconsistent, that means no solution case. Find the value of k value. For which k value these equation doesn't have no solution. Now Clear, madam, now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please solve. What is the condition for inconsistency? What is the condition for inconsistency?
Sir, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2.
Super. Please apply that condition and find out the possible solutions of K. Please. We'll be back in 2 minutes. Anyone got the answer for first question? Anyone got the answer for first question? Students, please respond. Anyone got the answer for first question? What is the answer for first question? Please respond. Anyone got the answer for first question? Guys, hope you can able to hear. Anyone got the answer for first question? Guys, please respond. Yes or no or something, please.
Sir, for first subdivision, I got k equals to 2.
First subdivision, the answer is how much?
2.
Yeah, A is equal to 2 is right answer. What about next one? It's a simple. You have to take the ratios now. 3 by 2k minus 1 is equals 1 by k minus 1. If I'm cross multiplying, 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. K will remain minus 2 will remain is equal to 0, k is equal to 2, and substitute here. The ratio is coming 3 by 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 3 is 1. This is also 1, and check whether you are getting, if I am substituting 2 here, I am getting 1 by 5. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to 1, which is not equal to c1 by c2, where c1 by c2 is equal to 1 by 5. So k is equal to 2 is the right answer. Please find out the next one is easy. Please do it. Students, anyone got the answer for second one? Anyone got the answer for second one? Guys, what is the answer for second one? K by 12 is equal to 3 by minus 6. So 3, 2 times 2, 6 times. The answer is minus 6. So if I'm taking minus 6 by 12 is equals 3 by minus 6 is not equal to 3 by 8. Then you can say k is minus 6 is the value where the two equations are getting no solution situation. The case. Shall I move to the next one? Students, please. Yes or no? Yeah. So even though if I'm using all these methods, sometimes I might get some tough numericals, like it will take a little bit more time, big numbers. How to deal these questions? How to deal certain questions which is having a bigger coefficients? For example, if I'm asking a question, solve 217x plus 131y is equals 913. 131x plus 217y is equals 827. If you observe very clearly, see the coefficient of x is coefficient of y in second equation is same. Coefficient of y in first equation, coefficient of x in second equation is same. If any equations are looking like this, we can follow one method. Instead of doing any straight away either substitution or elimination or graphical method, because it is getting so many big values. So what I'm doing is first I'm adding the equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. If I'm adding equation 1 and 2, I will get xy coefficients are same. 217 plus 131, I will get 348x plus 348y is equals 1740. So which is exactly equal to 348 5 times. So if I am dividing everything with 348, I will get the simplest form is x plus y is equal to 5. This is my equation number 3. The equation 3 I got by adding equation 1 and 2. If I am subtracting equation 1 and equation 2, I will get 217 minus x, 86x minus 131 minus 217, same number with negative sign, 86y is equal to 913 minus this one is 86. So if I'm taking 86 common, I will get x minus y is equal to 1 is the fourth equation. Now these equations are very simple. If you solve 3 and 4, that is the answer for the given question. So here I am reducing the complexity of the numerical. The numerical is a little complex in terms of their coefficients. So by reducing the values, by adding the equations, I will get one condition. By subtracting the given equations, I will get another condition. So 2x minus 0 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3. If I am substituting this value, y is equal to 2. So the solution of the given question is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. If you want, you can check and try some more questions if you are getting like this. Students, are you clear? If this is one particular case, only this method we can apply. It's like x coefficient of first equation is equal to y coefficient of second equation, and y coefficient of first equation is equal to x coefficient of second equation. Then only you can able to do these kind of things. Hope you are clear what I am trying to say. Students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So equations are reducible to linear equations. They won't ask this year, but please try to learn and proceed with that. Suppose if I am having an equation like this, how to solve? 8 by y minus 9 by x is equal to 6. 10 by y plus 6 by x is equal to 19. It's very simple. Assume 1 by y is equal to a, 1 by x is equal to b. So automatically you will get 8a minus 9b is equal to 6. 10a plus 6b is equal to 19. So your y is equal to 1 by a and x is equal to 1 by b. Solve this one and you will get a value and b value, and substituting a value and b value here, you will get the x and y values. These kind of questions are called equations are reducible to pair of linear equations. The given equation is actually not in the standard form. So by substituting something, I'm going to reducing into standard equation. So please practice, go through the syllabus. Any doubts? We'll meet in tomorrow class and we will discuss the doubts, and we will discuss a few numericals over areas of the circles. Yeah, anyone having any doubts, please let me know. Otherwise, I will close the class. Please, students, respond. Anyone having any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Yeah, we'll meet in tomorrow class. Please practice, guys. Attend the exam properly. Please practice. Tomorrow we will see the basic revision of area of circles and some numericals over that. If you are having any doubts, please bring it to me.